Hey fitness enthusiasts, today we're tackling one of the most effective full body exercises, the deadlift. Stick around as we go through the key steps to ensure you're nailing that deadlift form. First things first, place a barbell on the ground. Stand with your feet about hip width apart, toes pointing forward. The barbell should be over the middle of your feet. Bend at your hips to grip the bar, keeping your hands just outside your knees. Your grip should be about shoulder width apart. Drop your hips slightly, chest up and shoulders back. Take a deep breath, engage your core and lift the bar by straightening your hips and knees simultaneously. Keep the bar close to your body throughout the lift to maintain control. As you stand tall, push your hips forward and squeeze your glutes. Ensure you're fully upright with your shoulders back and chest proud. This is the top of the deadlift. To lower the bar, hinge at your hips first, then bend your knees once the bar passes them. Keep the bar close to your body, maintaining control throughout the descent. There you have it, the deadlift. Remember, start with lighter weights to get your form right and gradually increase as you build strength. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and be sure to subscribe for more fitness tips. Until next time, keep lifting.